Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about the railway mega project in Saudi Arabia, namely Haramain High Speed Rail. Today I'll be covering background, purpose, cost schedule, project timeline, quality, stakeholder concerns, and interesting facts about the Haramain High Speed Rail project. The Haramain High Speed Rail project connects the holy cities of Mecca and Medina via Jeddah, spanning a distance of 450 kilometers. It consists of 35 trains, each with a seating capacity of 415, which can travel at a maximum speed of 300 kilometers per hour. Prior to the project, the journey between Mecca and Medina could take up to 10 hours during the annual Hajj pilgrimage. But with this high-speed rail system, the travel time has been reduced to just 2 hours. The rail system has 5 stations along the route, namely Central Jeddah, King Abdulaziz International Airport in Jeddah, Mecca, Medina, and King Abdullah Economic City in Rabibagh, and can serve up to 20,000 passengers per hour. The project, which began construction in 2007, was opened to the public on 11th October 2018. The Saudi Railway Organization recognized the necessity of a transportation system to manage the increasing number of yearly pilgrims and Umrah performers in 2006. The aim of the project was to reduce congestion on roadways and minimize pollution caused by vehicle emissions and to provide a fast, safe, and comfortable mode of transportation for the millions of pilgrims who visit Mecca and Medina each year. Additionally, the project aimed to reduce the travel time between the two cities to just 2 hours. On average, the Haramain high-speed rail project serves around 60 million passengers each year. The cost schedule of the Haramain high-speed rail project was divided into two phases. Phase 1 primarily focused on civil works such as constructing bridges, viaducts, retaining walls, tunnels, embankments, and the construction of the 5 passenger stations. The initial contract of Phase 1 was 4.7 billion, but additional constructions were required, resulting in an additional cost of 1 billion. Phase 2 involved the design, construction, operation and maintenance of the track, installation of signaling and telecommunication systems, and deployment of rolling stock, power supply, and high-speed trains. The estimated cost for Phase 2 was 9.3 billion. However, several obstacles were encountered during the implementation, which led to an additional cost of 1.7 billion to overcome them. The project was announced in 2006 and opened to the public in 2018. But the timeline was significantly delayed due to the innovative nature of the project in Saudi Arabia and differences between the consortium partners who were granted the project. Phase 1, which commenced in 2009, was originally planned to be finished by 2012. However, due to the addition of new bridges and extra construction work needed to withstand the advancing dunes along the 197-kilometer stretch, the project was delayed for 4 years. As for the Phase 2, construction started in 2012 and it was supposed to be completed by 2016. Nonetheless, due to the delay in completing Phase 1 and the challenges encountered during Phase 2 construction, the project was finished in 2018. While designing the trains, careful consideration was given to the climatic conditions, particularly the challenge posed by desert sand and dust. The trains, which can accommodate up to 415 passengers, are equipped with high-performance air conditioning and window protection to ensure passenger comfort. Reinforced door seals are also in place to prevent dust from entering the train. Furthermore, special blowers have been installed near the train wheels to clean sand off the track. To combat the challenge of desert sand and dust, polyurethane coating has been applied to the driver's windscreen to reduce wear caused by blowing sand. Saudi government, international organizations, environmental groups, and local communities expressed various concerns regarding the Haramain high-speed rail project, including its potential impact on the environment and air pollution, the high cost of construction, the risk of cost overruns, and the project's overall financial sustainability. Stakeholders also expressed concerns regarding maintenance and repair, the reliability of the system, and the operator's ability to manage peak passenger volumes. Additionally, safety was a particular concern given the high speed of trains and the large number of passengers expected to use the system. Here are some interesting facts about the Haramain high-speed rail project. The passenger stations on the 5 locations were designed with modularized approach, taking into account Islamic architectural traditions. The stations represent custom-designed prefabricated structures that maximize daylight use while effectively filtering harmful UV rays, which is a kind of energy-efficient green building concept. The outlook of the station is almost common for all 5. It is marked by a sequence of arches 25-meter high, but with color variation that identify the different cities. Gold for Mecca, referring to the gold leaf of Kaaba. Green for Medina, for the color of the dome of Prophet's Mosque. Blue and silver for the KEC, symbol of new emerging city. Purple for Jeddah, in reference to its culture.